Hi, today we are going to be doing a big old giant slime, but I don't have a whole bottle of gallon of glue, but that's okay. So yeah. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And we're gonna pour the whole entire thing in. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Oh, it's so big. I never made this big batch of slime. Oh, that's really big. Okay, I'm just, yeah. It's okay if I have a little bit of glue left. So I got 2 dish soaps just in case, because that's how I make my slime. I need a lot, because my last video for the thing for the glow in the dark, it couldn't like really do it because it was like the glow in the dark was really thick, and so yeah. But right now I'm adding the contact solution. It won't be that much color, so I'm just gonna open the whole cap. That'll take a long time. Oh, there's a bubble. Well, that's a lot, okay. So, yeah. And I add a little bit more dish soap. Well, a lot more dish soap. All these bubbles are coming out. Okay, so I'm gonna add a lot more contact solution. It's really big. Oh, it's coming together. I'm gonna add it at the same time. This actually takes a lot of dish soap because it's a big batch of slime. It's coming together. The side, it's already coming to slime. But the whole batch, it is coming to slime, but not really. Whoa, look. It's a little sticky. Keep that on the side. I would say this is a good way to make slime, but if you like to add Tide, then that's okay. Or borax, but I don't really like borax because of the things I see that people get, like 3-degree burns. So I don't like to use it. This should do contact solution. Oh, it's coming to slime. Look. It's so big. coming together really well. And I just wanted to show you that I was making a big batch of slime with my gallon of glue. And it's actually coming really good together, like it is already made. So, yeah, I'm just gonna add a lot of contact solution just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna put that over there, mix it up. Whoa, look at it, it's coming together. So cool. I love to do like these cool stuff. And yeah. Okay. Oh, it's a little sticky, but that's okay. Whoa, that's big. Oh. Mixing it with my hands. Gonna add a little bit more additional because that helps the slime so much. Like whenever I have sticky slime, I just add I just add dish soap and it makes it much better. Okay, I'm gonna put this down on a napkin. Look at it! It's so big. This is probably the biggest batch I ever made. Now a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Whoa. Look at it! So big. Can't believe I made this big batch of slime. That's good off the side. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure to comment down below if you want more videos like this. I will make more batch of slime. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye.